10 Steps to Achieve Success in Life. Define what success means to you. Before embarking on your path to success, it's important to know what you want to achieve. What does success mean to you? What are your long-term goals? Take some time to reflect on these questions and write down your answers in a journal or on a piece of paper. Set clear goals. Once you know what you want to achieve, set specific and measurable goals. Goals should be clear and attainable, and should have realistic deadlines. For example, instead of saying "I want to be rich," set a specific goal, like "I want to save €50,000 in 3 years." Make sure to write down your goals and review them regularly to stay on track. Create a detailed action plan. Once you have your goals in place, create a detailed action plan to achieve them. This may include specific steps, deadlines, and necessary resources. For example, if your goal is to save €50,000 in 3 years, your action plan might include opening a savings account, reducing monthly expenses, seeking additional income, etc. Be persistent. Success doesn't happen overnight, so it's important to be persistent and stay focused on your long-term goals. Even if you face obstacles or temporary failures, don't give up. Use your mistakes as an opportunity to learn and adjust your action plan, and keep moving forward. Maintain a positive mindset. Mindset is key to achieving success. Keep a positive and optimistic attitude, and don't let fear or negativity get the best of you. Visualize your success and use positive affirmations to reinforce your positive mindset. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are a part of the journey to success. Learn from them, adjust your action plan, and keep moving forward. Instead of letting mistakes discourage you, use the experience to grow and improve. Be disciplined. Discipline is key to achieving success. Stay focused on your goals and do what it takes to achieve them. This may include creating a daily routine, managing your time, and eliminating distractions. Discipline also includes making tough decisions, such as eliminating bad habits or prioritizing your goals above other activities. Seek out mentors and role models. Look for people who have achieved success in life and learn from them. They can be in-person mentors or online role models. Read their biographies, attend their talks or seminars, and use their strategies and advice to help you achieve your own goals. Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with people who support and inspire you to achieve your goals. Avoid negative people or those who discourage you on your path to success. Positive people will provide emotional support and help you maintain a positive and focused mindset. Celebrate your accomplishments. Finally, celebrate your accomplishments, even the small ones. Take the time to acknowledge your progress and appreciate your efforts. This will help you stay motivated and focused on long-term success. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. Take the time to define what success means to you, set clear goals and a detailed action plan, and maintain a positive and long-term focused mindset. With persistence, discipline, and support, you can achieve the success you desire in life.